Yung galit na nilulumpo ka? Yung takot na pumipigil sa'yo? Because, remember again, if you do not let go, you will never grow. Hold on, not to pain, not to anger, not on your regrets, but hold on to God's grace.
Yes,
Amen?
Lord.
Because when you hold on to God's grace, you will finish the race. I will repeat that. Remember that. This coming year, hold on to grace so that you will finish the race. Kung hindi ka nakakapit sa grasya, hindi mo matatapos ang karera.
Correct.
Amen? At kung
Amen.
hindi pa okay ang buhay mo ngayon, sana wag kang bibitiw sa Diyos. Kasi hindi pa yan ang ending.
Yes,
Always
Lord.
remember, God is not done in writing your story.